Hello, thanks so much for joining me to do some tapping. I think every time we tap, we make the world a better place. Sometimes I do a video because the topic is really applicable to moi. And in all honesty, I find there is so much to be outraged about at the moment. At the same time, I recognize that feelings of anger and injustice and frustration and the increased levels of adrenaline and cortisol, the stress hormones that are produced, don't do us any good at all. In fact, they do a lot of harm to all the organs and systems in the body. There may be good reasons for the outrage. A lot of the time there is good reason. But unless we're actually able to use that energy to take action, which a lot of the time we can't, then we really need to be able to release it. The other thing is that taking action always comes, or is always better, coming from a calm place. Okay, so get yourself settled and begin to tune into what you want to be free from. You can close your eyes if you want. Is it outrage at a particular situation or topic or person? Is it political, a personal betrayal, social or workplace injustice? Feel where you hold it in your body. You might like to consider whether it has a colour and what would be a calming or healing colour that you could bring in to help support it. I'm going to do a general tapping and you can add your own specific feelings or situation in with that. You can follow me or tap where you choose. And please take responsibility for yourself as you tap. So taking a few more deep breaths to tune in some more. And we'll start. I feel so outraged and it's really intense. And I accept that this is how I feel. And also that I want to free myself of this feeling because it doesn't serve me and it doesn't change the situation. I feel absolutely furious about what has happened or is happening. And you might want to name that. And I accept that I really do feel furious and that such injustice exists. My anger feels overwhelming. And I choose to know that it's safe for me to start releasing it now. I feel it in my, name where you feel it, in my chest or my stomach or my whole body. It feels totally justified. And there is a part of me that doesn't want to let it go. I should be outraged. It's unfair. It's unjust. It's appalling. It's terrifying. It shouldn't be allowed. And this is all true, but it's not helpful. It doesn't solve the situation, and it's damaging to my body. It's exhausting. So, can I allow a bit of softening, a bit of releasing, letting go of my tension, my tight muscles? Can I allow myself to honor my sense of outrage, which feels really justified, without being consumed by it? Maybe I can let some of this go and become more empowered in the process. I'm actually more powerful when I feel calm and grounded and balanced. I want to feel empowered instead of disempowered and helpless. So this is what I choose. It's safe to allow my body to release some of this tension. Perhaps even relax a bit. You might want to take a nice deep breath out and allow your shoulders to relax. I don't have to think the situation is okay or right. I can stay calm even when things feel so wrong. When I release some of my outrage, my anger, my sense of injustice, my frustration, I become clearer, and this is good. I can make a stand for what's right. I can take action if necessary or possible without staying in the outrage. I channel all that outrage energy into clear, focused energy. As I feel safe to release even more of the outrage energy, I become more and more empowered. I honor my passion and use it to take wise action. I choose to feel strong, grounded, calm, and empowered. I choose to be at peace. And then letting yourself sit with that, checking in with your body where you felt that tension initially. Has that subsided? Is there anything that came out of that that you need to jot down so that you can do some more tapping on that? A whole other area might have opened up for you to tap on. It's always good to make a note of what comes up as you tap. So I will leave you with that and hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.